So the difference between the vital capacity and forced vital capacity is that forced vital capacity is actually vital capacity है क्या? Vital capacity is the maximum amount of air we exhale after uh, inspiration. ठीक है ना? Full inspiration के बाद how much we can expire, that is the vital capacity. ठीक है? So forced vital capacity is the forceful expiration. ठीक है, एंड इट इज़ टाइम्ड, मतलब कि वाइटल कैपेसिटी इज़ मतलब कितना भी टाइम हम ले लें फोर्सफुली एक्सपायर करने के लिए आफ्टर नॉर्मल इंस्पिरेशन इज़ द वाइटल कैपेसिटी। लेकिन अगर उसे कुछ सेकंड्स में उसे आपने एक्सपायर करना है, दैट इज़ अ फोर्स्ड एक्सपायरेशन एंड इट इज़ टाइम्ड। ठीक है, देयर इज़ अ लिमिटेड टाइम जिसमें आपको एक्सपायर करना है, दैट इज़ अ फोर्स वाइटल कैपेसिटी। ठीक है, सो फोर्स एक्सपायरेटरी वॉल्यूम क्या है? फोर्स एक्सपायरेटरी वॉल्यूम इज़ द एक्सपायरेशन ऑफ वॉल्यूम विच इज़ फोर्सफुली एक्सपायरेशन ऑफ वॉल्यूम। ठीक है ना, एंड उसमें भी हम क्या करते हैं कि उसमें भी हम टाइम करते हैं within these seconds you have to expire fully, that is force expiratory volume. ठीक है, forcefully you have to expire. now जो force expiratory volume में maximum और 80% of the volume is expired within 1 second. That's why we calculate the force expiratory volume within 1 second. These two values are very important for the diagnostic purpose of the restrictive and obstructive lung diseases, especially to differentiate between these. So how much our lung have the capacities to expire forcefully and normally or within 1 second. Okay, so this is the normal curve showing the forced expiratory volume and forced vital capacity, और फिर हम उसकी रेशियो निकालते हैं एंड नॉर्मल रेशियो इज 0.8 और 80%. ठीक है, so this dotted line is showing within 1 second the forced expiratory volume within 1 second, that is 4 liters, and forced vital capacity, the peak is showing the 5 liter, and when we divide them we get the ratio 0.8 multiplied by 100, we get the percentage 80%. ठीक, now these two values are decreased in the obstructive lung diseases and we get a lower percentage. ठीक है, 80 से हमें कम परसेंटेज मिलेगी इन द ऑब्स्ट्रक्टिव. In the obstructive one, these values are decrease disproportionately. Disproportionately मतलब दोनों डिक्रीज हो रहे हैं लेकिन इनमें से एक ज़्यादा डिक्रीज हो रहा है, दैट इज़ दी फोर्स एक्सपायरेटरी वॉल्यूम. ठीक है, अगर हम न्यूमरेटर को ज़्यादा डिक्रीज करेंगे वी गेट दी लोअर calculated value or percentage. So in the obstructive lung diseases, actually the numerator, that is FEV1, is decreased more than FVC. Disproportional decrease हो रहा है, that gets the lower percentage or the ratio. और restrictive में क्या होता है कि दोनों proportionally decrease हो रहे हैं, तो जो value हमें मिलेगी वो increase होगी. ठीक हो गया? This is the normal, the FV and FVC, FEV1 and FEC, and we hit the 80 or 83% normal ratio. And the obstructive, these are decreased proportionally. You can see the FEV1 is decreased more than the FVC, and we get the ratio 50%, less than 80%. And in restrictive, both are decreased proportionally, and the calculated or measured ratio is 90% above the 80. And this is the diagnostic, for the diagnostic purpose. So how can we diagnose the obstructive from the restrictive? The functional forced vital capacity and forced expiratory volume within 1 second and their ratio. And by knowing or these values we can say then this is obstructive or restrictive disease. उसके बाद अगर हमें उसकी obstructive की या restrictive की severity मालूम करना है, so we can confirm the restrictive its severity by the total lung capacity, and in case of obstructive FEV1 how much it is decreased, we can confirm the severity or we can go through the severity of the disease. Okay, so this is the ratio. Normal, decrease in the obstructive lung disease less than 70, and increase or normal, it can be normal in the restrictive lung disease and it can be increased in the, so normal ratio does not count a normal lung. ठीक है, because it is normal in some condition, it is normal in the destructive lung diseases. उसके बाद हमें कुछ और भी टेस्ट, pulmonary फंक्शन टेस्ट परफॉर्म करने होंगे to go through the diagnosis of the respiratory disorders. That is the DLCO, diffusion lung capacity, diffusion of the capacity of the lungs of carbon monoxide, volume time curve, volume flow loop, volume pressure loop, and ABGs.